Alright guys, let's try that again, right? I got this screwdriver here. I already loosened it up, so hopefully I can do a quick teardown of this tank and see what's on the inside, what makes it tick, and whether we can remove the speaker or disable the speaker so that I can, I guess not. This part here is only gives you access to the LEDs for the lighting system in the front, nothing else. So, well, let's do another thing which is kind of important. Let's get the battery out, because that might interfere with the rest what we're going to be doing next. So, get to the battery real quick, which is quite easy. It's just this little compartment right there. If only I could do stuff. Okay, here we go. And I'll see you in the next one.
Likey.